I've been using Lennon Dutch Medicine now for, well, forever. I can't go without my Lennon products in my house. It remains only the best natural medicine to use. For example, I suffer from winter hands every year. It's incredibly painful and so uncomfortable. But since I've started using Vit Dulces that I applied on my fingers, I never look one day back. It takes away that itching and burning sensation immediately. Just wish it could also take the swelling away. Lennon Dutch Medicine offers a range of remedies for various ailments such as chest congestion, asthma, stomach cramp, headaches, and so much more. I encourage you to try Lennon Dutch Medicine and share your experience and tips with me in the comments section so that I can pass it on to more viewers to try. Don't have enough cough syrup in your house? Here is a very quick and easy way to make your own cough syrup. It also acts as an immune booster and helps to relieve a sore throat. All you need is a quarter teaspoon of ginger, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 15 ml of lemon juice, 5 ml of Borsdruppels and 10 ml of honey. Take it all at once. You can take it 2 to 3 times a day. Dark pigmentation spots on the skin, also known as hyperpigmentation, can be caused by various factors like, for example, overproduction of melanin. Well, that is a substance that gives your skin its color. Inflammation due to eczema, psoriasis, acne, and so on. It could also be caused by hormonal changes, medication use, or sun exposure. This is how you can treat your dark spots. Remember that your skin does take time to heal. Mix 20 ml of Harlem essence with 100 ml argan oil and apply that on clean skin 2 times a day. Just take note that Harlem essence will stain your clothes. For head lice, mix 1 bottle of peppermint dropples with the same amount of olive oil or cooking oil and 1 cup of brown vinegar. Pour this mixture into a 500 ml bottle and fill it up with Dettol or Savlon. Wet a flannel cloth with this mixture and wrap it around the child's head. Then cover the head with a plastic bag and leave it overnight. When you take off the cloth the next morning, well, then the lice are no more. Let me know in the comments if you knew the next remedy. Did you know that when your body dehydrates, because of not enough fluids, and by fluids I mean water, that your urine becomes concentrated, which can increase the risk of kidney stones? Well, to bring down kidney stones, mix 1 bottle of each: Harlem essence, balsam copiva and balsam sulfuris. Drink 5 ml of this every morning in a glass of water or milk. The following ointment will help to relieve muscle or arthritis pain. For this, mix the following: 160 gram sambuc ointment, 3 25 gram tubs of wintergreen, and 1 bottle of Harlem essence. Now to make this, first take the 2 ointments, the sambuc and the wintergreen, and put it into a double boiler. You can leave it in the tin if you want to. just so that the two ointments melt. When it's melted, take it off the stove and add the Haarlem essence. Mix all well, pour it into a glass jar or bottle and apply this ointment on the affected area where needed. Our life is so hectic and stressful that it's almost impossible to go without any stress reliever, and 99% of what we get over the counter is not good for our health. Mix the following and take this then 3 times a day. 10 to 15 drops of Duivelsdraak druppels or drops with 1 teaspoon of honey, and let a natural product help you to take on the hard task of the day with more calmness. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please check out my other videos about Lennon products and help the channel to grow by subscribing. It will be much appreciated, and by doing that you will also be notified when I upload more remedy related content. I wish you all a blessed day, keep safe, and I will see you in my next video.